Okay, ladies and gentlemen, hello and welcome. Live from Miami, it's Capital Trade Center. I am Alberto German. I'm going to be reading the market live, real time, as it's happening. That's very important. Minute to minute, tick by tick, right? For all of you members right here at Capital Trade Center, okay? In other words, in front of the studio audience, right? Just like we do every day, right, Mistake?
That's right, Cappy.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna tell you, we have an out of balance market right now.
Oh no.
Yes, we do. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so we are in a 44.58 wave. We don't know yet whether it's a bullish or a bearish wave. We don't know that yet. What we do know is that we have a predetermined pivot support 35, right? So if we decide to go short, then we will be expecting a break of 44 and a continuation all the way to 35, right? 9 points. 35 is strong enough to stop it. That's why it's target 1. Okay, so far, right? Price right now, right here. 44, 45, 46, 47. And we are in a double out of balance condition. Okay, so you know exactly what that means, right?
Yes.
Alrighty then. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we do have a bearish bias. Clean break of 44. Price is going to be looking to go all the way to 39. All right, 39 is not a target, it's a destination. 39. Clean break of 44. Price will go to 39. The odds are price is going to go to 39. Right? We have a bearish bias, so we prefer to short resistance than to buy support as the main play. However, you know that 39 is minor support, and then we have 35, which is a support that we are expecting the price not to clean break destroy. Therefore, as usual, we'll be looking to counter trend it along. Of course, we have to see how it gets there, right? We're not afraid of falling knives. It's not a falling knife what's gonna make us take the counter trend or not. That's not it. Okay. All right. So time right now 9:11. Clean break of 44. Price is gonna continue going to 39 and 35. That's not gonna be easy because we are in a snake wave. This wave right here, 58.44. So if we are in a snake wave, then this low right here is going to be strong enough not to let the price break it. So we need a strong break to have enough gunpowder for the price to go all the way at least to 39. Okay, but if we are in a snake wave, then we know that the move down is not going to be smooth. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, volatility is starting, right? We knew that 44, and we still do, it's the low of this wave. The wave is a snake, so we are expecting a bounce off of, all right? Off of this low right here, there is a minor resistance, 49. Okay. Alrighty then. So, right, so we have a bearish bias longer term. Short term, we have a 58, 44. Right, 258 high, 44 low. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Righty, so we're gonna have some chop right here because the first resistance, minor resistance, is 49. Okay, so 44, ladies and gentlemen, it's a buy. Right? Why? Because we are expecting this 14 points leap, the price leap up and down. These 14 points. Okay. Short term, medium term, break of 44 and continuation to 39, but we all know that anything can change any second. Righty? Okay, so we have 39, first minor support, 49, 10 points, first minor resistance. Clean break of 49, then this 44, it's working. All right, so, no, that's great. So, long story short, the trade in command right now is this long 44. This one right here. Okay? This one right here. This 44, that's, the bulls are in control. 44, we know 49 is going to try to stop it a little bit, but the high is 58. As long as the price is above 44, clean riding the above 44, the bulls are in control. Righty? Okay. So what's the price action? The future leap up and down, right? Okay. 44, 58. All right. Is it gonna be easy taking 49? No, but the open usually gives the enough gunpowder to do it, right? And then longer term is bearish. So longer term, we are expecting a break of 44, a continuation to 39 and 35. It's right there. All right. Okay, so we have to be on 100% focus of that break of 44. Okay. And we're going to see it. We're going to all see it together. Right? As long as the price is above 44, bulls are in control. What's up?
The quantum leap bull became a bearish one at an 8.
No. Okay, so, all right. So these 44, 48, these 4 points, ladies and gentlemen, our biggest enemy, as choppy as it gets. 44, 48. Chop, 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 chop. Okay? Right? Clean break of this 48. 48 is at 1 point. I'm not going to draw it. It's 1.48, 49. Then confirmation that the 44 long is the one that that is going to be happening short term. Okay, time right now 27, 3 minutes to open. All right, so we are in a strong, big time consolidation right here. These 44, 48, these 4 points. Okay, all righty then. Remember, if the price is going to break 44 later on and continue to 39 and 35, what is the smart money going to do first? They're going to lure everybody into believing that the price is going to go up. So, for example, Monday, we had the odds that there was going to be a bounce and the price was going to go up. Tuesday, yesterday, even though it was the same downtrend, we had the odds that the price was going to break the low and continue down. So we nailed Monday, we nailed Tuesday. Today is a combination of both. We are in a strong consolidation right here. It's very difficult to know whether it's accumulation or distribution. It is a distribution for later. But right now, bulls are going to protect 44 really good. So, clean break, bulls broke the bears. That's what we have. And that's why day trading, even though we look for the same thing every day is different. And that's why 99% of traders don't make it in this business. So, ladies and gentlemen, 39, stop the price, call, right? Gee, what a coincidence. And now the 44 long still working, and we're gonna let it ride all the way to 58. It's not gonna be a nice ride, but that's what we're gonna do.
Cappy,
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, right? So 51. So shenanigans here. 49. We all know that, right? All right. The play in command is that long 44, the one that we've been on since 9 a.m. 44, 45, right? 44, 45, 44, 45, boom, boom. Long, long, long. We knew 49 was going to stop it. It's the minor resistance. It stopped at call, open comes, and then it's in its continuation up. And so the 44, 45 long prices went to 51. We're going to call it 52, 51, 52, right? And we are still short term. The play in command is this long 44. Okay? Remember what I told you. The bulls will protect this 44 with all their might. Eventually, they're just going to have to give up, right? If the overall market direction and the current conditions don't change and we don't have a new rotation, which if any of that changes, that's what I'm here for, is to tell you. So hang on to your long position 44. You knew that 49 was going to stop it a little bit. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes of hugging 49. But we are of the belief that it's going to continue. It's going to continue to 58. All right? Okay. Okay. And what is it that we are having in the back of our mind? Well, we know that eventually 44 will be taken. Oh, okay. So tie leech, and we're going to be on the lookout for that recoil, and then depending on the high probability signal of that setup, then we'll take it. If it's 58, that'll be terrific, because 58 is an automatic counter trend of the current long position that we have from 44, right? But if it comes before, if it comes between 53 and 57, that's going to be tough. All righty, because we like to take our trades from our levels of support and resistance. All right, this 44 right here is a quantum leap. You know the strength of our quantum leap signal, right? All right, it's as strong as it gets. However, short term, right? Longer term is a bigger ship, so we think it's going to be taken. But in the meantime, whether the price recoils in the future and comes right back down, breaks 44 and continue going to where we think it's going to go, right? Which is let's go ahead and bring it back right here. First support 39. Whether the price does that or not, it doesn't matter. We are long here, the low of the wave, which is being a snake wave all along, and we're gonna manage this long position as long as 44 is not taken. All right, there is another There is another resistance 55. Okay, it's another minor resistance 55. All right, that we are expecting. We are right off of 55. We are expecting pretty much the same. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna bring back that we had at 49. Remember 49? Look at it, right? Same thing here at 55. Boom, 55. All right, so from 44 to 55, we're up 9 points. If you're long, 45. If you're late and you took the open, right? Because you knew the open, right? If you took the open, then you're long from 48. Bada bing, bada boom.
57 now.
Okay, 57. Beautiful. All right, let's see. All right, Mystique, correct me if I'm wrong, but is that 58 to the tick? Yes, Mystique, it is.
It is.
Oh, it was, not anymore.
It's
Now it's 58.75. All right.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's see what the next resistance is, right? 58, ladies and gentlemen, from 44. That's 14 points that we just made on this play. Don't mess with the quantum leap, right, Mystique?
Don't mess with the quantum leap.
Exactly.
It's like the strongest signal.
Exactly. All right, so price goes to 58.75, and I know this counter trend short here is tough, right? Because look, but remember, you know, it's with the micros, all right? It's with the micros. Hey, Capi, but I need to know, man, what's the next resistance? I don't have it yet. To tell you the truth, my friends, it's a tough one because I mean, other than 68, of course, right? The next resistance is 68, so I'm just looking to, so 68 is target 2, in other words, all right? So 68 is target 2. Okay, 68 is target 2. Okay. Remember, you don't have to counter trend. Look at this strong, beautiful action, right?
Yep.
Main play, long, 44, all the way to 61. That's 15 points. We're up 15 points, and we are pulsing out the a short-term position. You don't have to look at this beautiful break of 58, right? After, you know, at first 58 totally stop it, and then momentum is taking it. Main play is long 44. Our job, right? So we took 14 points profit right here, 58, and target 1 and target 2 from 58 to 68. We won 10 more points. Is it gonna be cozy? Is it gonna be a one straight shot? I don't think so. Why? 58, my friend, 58. It's a prosaico resistance. Why do you think 58 is target 1? It's because it's resistance. Momentum takes us from 58 to 61, 3 points, and there's gonna be some dancing around here. You don't have to counter trend, remember, but if you don't, we're not gonna get our counter trends 100% of the time, but when we do, you're gonna love it. But you don't have to. There's a lot of traders that they just don't counter trend. No, Capi, I'm not gonna go against the current move, the main play. Are you kidding me? I'm just gonna lock 14, 15, 16 points right here, and I'm gonna let my other 2 units go all the way to 68. Stop break even. If the price takes me out, so be it. I'll get back in long as you keep on telling me that we are gonna we continue going to 68, right? That's what you're saying right now, all right? No, okay. And what's in the back of your mind? That the longer term play is buried. So I am expecting the price to recoil some of these levels of resistance and go all the way back down. Take 55, take 49 here and at least test 44. That's what I'm expecting later on. If it doesn't happen, who cares? We already 15 points, the main play. This one right here, the main play with the ES, right? With the bigger position, right? And that's how day trading is done. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Alrighty then. 63 half, right? Target 2, 68. You know that it's okay to get out a couple of points below, right there is target 2. All right. And remember what I told you. We're long from 44. Longer term, the price is gonna go down. I can change my mind in terms of that longer term going down any second, right? Smart money leave footprints, and our job is to read it, right? In the meantime, target 158, target 268, and we still have target 3, so we're gonna continue letting this 44 long ride. Okay? Alrighty then. 65. So from 44 to 68, that's 22 points that we're looking to make on this target 2. Okay, so stay strong. Stay strong. We nailed direction up. We knew for the strengths of 44. How many times I said, Mystique, that the bulls are going to protect 44 with all their might? How many times I said that?
A whole bunch of times.
Okay, so does this uptrend make sense then?
It does.
All right, so that's 65, right? Okay, we gave it a shot here at the counter, right? It didn't do much for us right here. This one right here. All right. Okay, 58. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Long story short, right? We know that that this is all a counter trend. You don't have to counter trend, like I always say. Well, you don't have to do anything. You do whatever you want. Everybody, right? You are the trader. I'm just a market reader, right? So what's my red? My red is that 58 above, right? It's a good small position counter trend short. Two reasons. Reason number one, 58 and above is resistance. And the reason number two is that I've been telling you that longer term, I was expecting a move down, right? Okay. Let's see.
All right, Cap, I'm going into bully 1.
Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, stay bullish. Stay bullish, all right? Main play, stay bullish. Okay? We want to be more long than we want to be short. For anybody that took a shot here, right? We wanted to counter trend short 58, price goes to 65, 66 only. So we don't have a chance to get a razor sharp entry counter trend short. However, this up move, it's real. Okay. Alrighty then. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I believe that's 54 to the tick.
To the tick.
Isn't it, Mystique?
It is.
So this is what happened. I told you what, a minute ago, maybe 45 seconds ago. Smart money knows that testing of 54 is gonna take every single week bull out. They had to take it all the way to 54. 54, it's support. Now we're gonna see the action right here. All right, we're gonna see the action right here. Here it is 54, right? We're not gonna see that action right here. What's the squeeze? Well, 50. Right, so yeah, sure, 50. Okay, right, 50. All right, we're gonna put this 50 right here. That's the squeeze. Okay. All right, so what does that mean? The squeeze. We are long. We believe that the market is gonna continue going up, right? As long as 44 is not completely taken. So our job is to manage that long position. That's it. All right. This volatility, of course, just pulled back the price from 66. Look at it, from 66 all the way to 53, right? 13, 12, 11, 13, 14, 15 points. We know 54. We know 54. It's support. This is the level where bulls add to a winner so that they can have a bigger position or establish a new position long, right? This 54 around here. Okay. If this, which we don't know yet, right? But this pullback is that longer term play that I've been telling you since 9 a.m. that we were going to have is right, then the squeeze of the 54 is right here, 50. Okay, that's the squeeze. What does that mean? That means that we don't get scared, right? It's a squeeze. Now, if this pullback took your trail, right? Because we're long from 44, target 158, target 268. Price goes to 65, 66, right? So we don't get target 2 by 2 points. However, I've been telling you that there is going to be a longer term, a move down. So we all knew that we wanted to short resistance, right? Our first counter trend resistance short, of course, is right here. When the price broke 58, we are expecting it to continue to 68, but we know that 58, anything above 58 is a squeeze on this particular session, because remember, we trade the future and we were expecting this drop that I've been telling you since 9 a.m. Right? All right. So anybody that is short right here, 61, 60, 66, you know, somewhere around here, average short 63, right? With a small position size. is a counter trend because look 54 holding. Okay, so smart money takes 54, 1 point only. And what did I say 2 minutes ago? This is an add to a winner long, or establish a new position long. Why? Because 54 is support. We have direction. I told you this uptrend, it's real, right? So what do so that you can have so the scared money, when the price when the smart money takes the price all the way to 53 right here, 54, 53, they get out scared. And I told you, I use that word. They're not gonna scare us. We know this is support, and this is an opportunity to establish a new position long or add to a winner. Because if you are long from here, from 44, price went all the way to 65, the pullback takes your trail. You believe that the price is going to continue going up, right? But you are all in, all out. You got out somewhere around here after 58 when you saw that beautiful break, or you got out at 58. Exactly, doesn't matter. The point is that if you're flat, I just told you, go long right here, 54. It's an add to a winner or establish a new position, right? That's all there is to it. So you're long right here, 54, and we still are aiming for 68. All right, it could change. This 68 could change. You know that trading, it's price action. Everything is changing all the time. We all know that. All right, but we are on a main play long 44. We got out one at 58, right here, 63, all the way around here. We know that there's going to be a pullback. That's why we study the opportunities all the way to take a counter trend short with a small position, right? Counter trend doesn't mean that we're getting out of our main play. Are you kidding me? We have 3 units. Target 1, target 2, and target 3. Who the hell knows where target 3 is going to be? I don't have it yet. All right, so we have target 1, 58 from 44. That's 14 points, and you did better if you got out somewhere around here. Doesn't matter, right? And then the counter trend short, anything above the high, right, of the break, right? We know that when the smart money breaks our level of resistance, is squeezing the weak. We, on the other hand, we know all their tricks. All right, and look at this pullback from 66 to 53, right? 13 points, right? From 65 half, let's call it 65, all the way to 53, right? 12 points, 12-point pullback, beautiful. That we've been hunting since 9 a.m. for a minor position in our trading. We're still long. We believe that this move, that this uptrend is real. When I say it's real, you all know what I mean. It's gonna continue. That's what I mean. That's exactly what I mean, right? Okay, so let's take it to target 2, right? Is this thing can change any second? Of course it can change, right? This counter trend short can easily become the main play any minute, any second, any time, right? That's what the smart money does. Okay, but we know all their tricks, so let's see if they let's see what they have under their sleeve. Right? Calm, cool, and collected. Right? Nice. Long 44. We knew that a pullback was coming. We believe that the uptrend is strong enough to continue going, ebb and flow. We know exactly support 54. Look at that. It's a razor sharp entry long here, 54. Look, it only goes 1 point below 53. Perfect to give us enough time and space to take that shot long, right? And this is how this is done. Okay, so let me say that again. Chop began. However, we still have our bearish bias. Okay, 68 target 2. That's not gonna be tested anytime soon. And if it is, we're gonna be lucky because I don't. This uptrend got a lot weaker now. Alrighty. However, what do? Stop break even, start trailing, right? This 54, add to a winner, establish a new position. Goal is to ride it to 68. Okay, that's not gonna be an easy task, but that's what we're after on the main play, which remains long 44, 54. Okay, clean break of 54. Chances are we're gonna change hats to main play bearish. All right, until that happens, until there is a clean break of 54, we want to go to target 2 and target 3, which I still don't have. And now I can tell that it's gonna be even it's gonna take even longer because, ladies and gentlemen, remember that we're only interested about the future, and this uptrend is no longer as strong as it was before. No problem. Stop break even and start trading, right? And let the price take us wherever they want to take us. Okay? So, repeat. Main play, right? Long 44. So, direction up. First target 58, achieved. Pullback 54, add to a winner, establish a new position 54. The aim for this 54 is that target 268. And that's where we are at right now. If it wasn't for that, the quantum leap bullish long 44, we'll be in trouble right now.
That's right.
You know? So I'm telling you, going to phase 7, it's a pretty good idea. However, we're gonna continue watching this.
Keep watching it, but they gave us 21 points because it went to 65 and a half.
65 half.
Pretty decent.
That's right. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, 54 again. Smart money cannot take. They just cannot take our support right here. Add to a winner 54, gave us 65, gave us 11 points, right? Yes, we still won 68. Oh my God, Capi, we're not getting our 68, man. Target 2, what are we gonna do? I told you that it's a tough condition today, right? Didn't I say it was a tough condition? We are in a double out of balance condition. We are in limbo. Many of the conditions that tell us that the market is not moving rhythmically. However, our levels are just responding to the tick beautifully. That's it. Gotta be strong, okay? That's all there is to it. Think about it. That long 44 gave us 65. That's 21 points. That's pretty good, right? And as we always know, that our levels of support and resistance, in this case today of resistance, are so strong. And that's the reason their targets, we always counter trend, so that while we wait for the price to eventually continue to our 68, then we're counter trending. Sure, well, this area right here, we know is a counter trend, right? And then clean break of 54, that counter trend then is probably going to end up being the main play. However, time right now is 10:39. It's only an hour, and the chop began half an hour ago. So this is what I'm expecting. Remember, we not only need to know direction where the price is going, exactly all the different levels, but how it's gonna get there, right? And that's exactly what the price is doing right now. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So, all right. So come on. So come on, baby. Go ahead and destroy this triple tube already, man. You know, that's it. Give me my target too. That's not gonna be easy, ladies and gentlemen. I'm telling you. Let's see. Look at this beautiful 54 again. Twice. Look at this. Twice. Long 54. Right? It doesn't get any better than that. All right. On a tough day like today. Main play. Okay. Main play. Okay. All right. This ride to 68 is not gonna be easy, my friends. Okay. Just as we've been able to see, right? Right. Look at this chopper. Because remember, a trading system not only needs to tell you exactly where the price is going, but you need to know how it's going to get there so that you can better manage your position, right? So we've known all along for the past hour or so that this was the way it was going to behave, right? Yeah, sure, of course, we still have our target 268, especially since we added to a winner 54 twice, right? And not only that, it's the main play long from 44. And we are expecting to get our 68. Now, listen to this. All right. Okay. So, we love volatility, right? Our system, it just can do no wrong when there is volatility, but that doesn't mean that it's going to be tough. All right. So, what do we want? We want the price to eventually break this triple top, right? Look, one, almost two, 2.5, 1.5. That's a tough call, right? So we can call it 1, 2, 3. Break this triple top, give me 68, and continue riding the official uptrend in which we are right now, all the way to target 3. But I'm gonna tell you right now, that's not, the odds are that my friend, is not going to happen. All right, taking 68, 69, that's not gonna happen. Let me go ahead and rephrase that, because that's stupid to say that that's not gonna happen, because we've seen it all before, right? It could happen. So I'm gonna say it again. The odds, which is what we trade here, is that the price is not gonna take this 68, 69. That's not gonna happen. Alrighty. Big time chop is going to continue. Smart money wants to continue squeezing the bears. Then that's what we're counting on, so that we can go to target 269. That's it, right? How long is it going to take? All day. Remember that today is the FOMC minutes at 2 p.m. So no wonder we're having this type of action, right? We are in limbo and a double out of balance condition. We were expecting all of this, right? So that's pretty much it. What time it is right now? It's 11:07. We know that at 11:30 the official chop begins, and our job is to continue holding that long position. Listen, I know that most traders are not letting it go all the way to 68, since we know how tough the conditions are today, and they're jumping the gun to lock. I mean, after all, we're long from 44, main play, and we just got 65, right? That's 21 points. Who doesn't want to get that, especially on this triple top? All of us, right? But of course, depending on your position size, some of us have $1 million account, some of us have a very small account, 100,000 account. Well, so it's just different for everybody, of course. So My job is to just to tell you exactly what the price is gonna do, how it's gonna do it, when it's gonna do it, why it's gonna do it, and read you the odds. And then you, the trader, you are the real trader. You take the shot, and if we know exactly how the price is gonna do whatever it's gonna do, then you're gonna be in a much better position to manage your position. And remember, remember the counter trends, right? So triple top, that's a good idea for our counter trend above 58, right? Above 58. That we always take, especially on a day like today, in which we're not expecting a continuation to the upside, a Lamborghini day. That's not gonna happen. As a matter of fact, I'm just about to get what the last resistance is. I'm just waiting because I know I'm gonna get it pretty soon, and then I'll post it. I'll give it to you, and I'm out of here. You know, that's it. We did terrific on Monday. We did terrific on Tuesday. Wednesday, we are, we're okay, and that's day trading. Okay, no, that we didn't know. 11:30, right? Official job begins right now. 11:30, right here. 11:30, right? No, that we didn't know. All right, we've known. All right, official shop begins right now. However, we've been in shop for the last hour, since 10, right? For an hour and a half, we're already being in shop. However, the important thing is that we've known what the odds were as to how the chart was going to look like, right? How the price action was going, what the market was, how the market was going to behave. We've known it all along, and we know exactly what to do. Anyway, so this could last the entire day. Remember, today is FOMC. It's the release of the minutes. It's not the FOMC. It's the release of the minutes. So we know we were expecting action like this. Anyway, so summary: open, long 44, target 1, beautifully achieved. Target 2, we didn't get it by a couple of points. However, we've known all along that above 58, it's okay to take a counter trend short, because remember, since the open, I've been calling for the longer term. This is short term, right? In terms of time, short term main play, longer term. This is all recorded. It's all at the open right here. Longer term bearish. Expecting the price to now at least, right? Okay, so let's see here. All right, longer term, expecting the price to, yeah, sure, eventually go to 44, break it, and remember, what we have down there, 39. Okay, that's longer term. All right. So as long as this low right here, right, this swing low right here is holding, we are expecting to get our 69. So we had an opportunity to add to a winner right here, 54. I gave you 54 long time. Way before this happened, we already knew that 54 was an opportunity to go long. I gave it to you once, twice, almost, and it's coming right there again. All right. However, what time it is? 11:30. We know that from now on, it's gonna be even tougher. All righty, and we can have this chop all the way until the close today easily. That being said, my friends, that's it for me. You know exactly what to do. Clean break of this low right here. Then it becomes resistant. We're expecting the price to go to 44, break it, and continue to 39. Right? Okay. And our target 2, we never got it. And it's just a matter of time. So what do we do now? Let's do what half of you guys already done. Go to phase 7. Remember, listen, as usual, there are a lot of traders want to be selling their garbage course, right? Be careful. If you're gonna buy a course for somebody, you've got to tell them, hey, listen, Read the market live, real time, as it's happening, if you want me to believe that the course that you're selling me is any good. If you don't show me P&L. What the hell do I care about you photoshopping a P&L? I don't care about a P&L. I don't care about testimonials. Don't give me any of that garbage. Read the market live, real time, as it's happening, and tell me exactly where should I buy, where's the price going, where should I write it to, what's the target 1, target 2, target 3, where is the stop, tell me my position size, tell me when the conditions are tough so that I can reduce the size, tell me everything the market is going to do. Live, real time. If you don't do that, I'm not going to give you 1 penny for that crappy course that you are scamming people to sell. Show me that you're a real trader, just the way we do it here. So, long story short, if it's not live, it's not real. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so the smart money was waiting for exactly the beginning of the doldrums to break the last important level of support, right? Look at it, at 11:30. We all know we've been expecting this since when? Since this morning. Remember, longer term, we were expecting this move right here. That's the future. That's what we do here. We trade the future. We trade what we think. Now, why would we think the future? Well, because our proprietary trading system can tell what the smart money is up to. So we've known all along, all this morning, that this move up, which we took advantage of from a long 44, above 48, was a squeeze. Yeah, sure, we wanted to let it ride all the way to 68. We never got it. Big deal. That's why we counter trend. Boom, bang, bing. Triple top. Excellent, right? Even the teenagers on YouTube, all the traders who want to be, know that setup. It's an area of supply, right? It's the only one that they know, by the way. We've known it since this morning. 65, right? 66, all the way to 48. We finally broke our 54, and bears to cover. And like I said, is it going to test 44 and continue to 39? That's your job now, is to ride this counter trend that began as a counter trend and break up 54 makes it the main play now. And now we are looking to ride this action all the way to test 44 and give us 39. However, FOMC, I don't think that's going to happen on a straight line. However, those of you who trade the entire day, that's exactly what you want to do now. Is it possible that the price goes right back up, takes 54, tests 58, break it, and continue to target 2? Of course it is. Anything can happen from now all the way till the close, right? And you want to be careful because the release is at 2 p.m. So if you want to go play tennis, do what you got to do, all right? All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we've known about this all day today, right? Clean break of 54. Main play becomes the counter trend. You go short right here. You hold to your current short position, the triple top. You know that a break of 54 is going to take it to test 44. And the market is now on its way to do everything we said this morning at 9 a.m. Right? Remember, short term, long 44, longer term test of 44, break it and continue to 39 and 35. Regardless, we are short from here, and those who are late and wanted confirmation, you're short here, 54, because you're expecting the price to go to 44. So you want to make 10 points And of course, you want to continue holding and expect the price to go all the way to target 139, right? This is target 1. All right, ladies and gentlemen, just a matter of time, right? That just a matter of time for us to get our target 1 from this morning. We've known all along that the smart money, they were up to no good. All of that move up, nothing but a trap, just to trap the uninformed trader. We, on the other hand, have known since 9 a.m. this morning that this is what the smart money were up to. Target 1, boom, target 1. 35, boom. This is a counter trend. You don't have to take the count. Now this is a counter trend because remember, we change hat break of 54. It made the short, right? It made the short from this high right here above 58, 60, 65, right? This short right here. It made it the main play. We've known that we have target 1 right here, 35, right? Beginning 39. Here it is, target 1, 35. If it's a target, we are expecting, of course, the price not to clean break it. And look at what's going on. Now, again, there's a lot of traders that don't like to counter trend today. Look at this. This is a falling knife, right? Beautiful. At this time of day, it's tough. Remember, it's FOMC today. So let's go ahead and get us. Let's see what the next support is, meaning what is going to be target 2 for the counter trend short that we're on still. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Target 2, 24. 9 points from this target 1 support. Target 1, 35. Target 2, 24. 9 more points. Time right now, 1:13. We all know that in 45 minutes, this is going to be the release of the minute, which for some reason still move the market. Well, it is what it is. No biggie. In the meantime, ladies and gentlemen, right, we believe that the taking of our 35 is not going to be a clean break. It goes to 33, quarter. Not even 2 points. We are counter trend long right here, just like I told you to do. Counter trended long. Go long right here, of course. Counter trend, smaller position. This time of day, we usually don't take new plays after 11:30, 12. But today, we have to take advantage of the volatility that the FOMC release of the minute is giving us. So we're going to take advantage of it. Remember that we are here to milk the market as much as we can, whatever, anytime, as many times as the market gives us a setup that has high probabilities of working out for us, we're gonna take it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, almost 2 p.m. We know the Federal Open Market Committee minute release is coming pretty soon. However, in the meantime, as usual, we're taking full advantage of the volatility, right? Look at this counter trend right off of our target 135. Boom, 16 points. All right, here we go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we get the news right here, 2 p.m. And like one of my traders say, not even the FOMC can take our levels here at Capital Trade Center. How do you like that? All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's enough for today. Remember, if you're going to follow somebody, if you need a coach, if you want to learn while you earn while you... Look at these beautiful things, still not capable of taking our levels. It doesn't matter anymore. All right? That's it. It's enough for today. Okay? Just go ahead now, whatever positions you still have, just let the price take you out, and don't mess with this action anymore. Okay? All right. Other than letting it ride to our target 224. Look at the beautiful counter trend. Gave us 11 points. First attempt, then 16. Smart money pushing, squeezing the bears. We know better. Righty? Okay. We are expecting, right? We have target 2 to the downside, 24. But I'm going to close this video already. And you know exactly what to do. All right, let the price take you out, your trail, let it ride to 24. If it takes you out, go play tennis. All right, remember, if you're gonna follow a trader, there is a lot of traders wannabe right there that want to sell you garbage, crappy courses. Have them prove to you that they really know what they're talking about, because if it's not live, it's not real.